Well, we're getting out of the package. All right, let's check it out. Well, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Venture Surplus. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And see how we can get this open. Alright, got some paper. And one item this time. We did get it on a 20% sale discount, so it was kind of cool. Looking at the packing slip, this is a USMC 2-person combat tent, Woodland new, condition new. And again, it did have a 20% discount, which did make it a little more worthwhile. We're just going to take a very quick look as to condition. And definitely looks new. Here's a label. Diamond brand Marine Combat Tent. You got a contract number. You can see here a little bit of an overmarking there. This looks like more of the store's inventory number. You can see it's over a barcode. Somebody marked off that in green. And a SEN number. Can't quite see the date. It's underneath there. Contents. Transport bag, this thing, and the inside tent, rainfly bag, tent pole, set, tent repair kit, stake bag. So let's take a quick look. I almost have camper's fear of not being able to put it all back exactly the way I found it, but just see how this all looks. Ooh, look at that. Instruction flap right there. And the inner bag. So here's your pole set. I'll leave that. Everybody knows what that kind of looks like. Here's a better look at the instructions. That's pretty cool. I wish this was a little bit more waterproof. I can tell this is just a regular kind of paper applied to this material here, similar to the bag. Couple of tie-off points here. Not quite the strongest. And try to see how this drawstring is secured. Okay, there's a cord lock. Couldn't see that. All right, bag within bag. This is the tent itself. You can see there. It also has more stuff. This is the tent repair kit with stake bag. You can see here parts list, Eagle Globe and Anchor, and then the tent itself. So this is actually the interior. This is the exterior. You can already see the style of plastic buckles and straps, and that gives you an idea of the stitch thickness with the hemming. Okay. Give me a squeeze to see if there's anything really reinforced. You would definitely need a ground mat with something like this. This is pretty soft. Okay. So, Diamond brand. And again, here's your overall manifest right there. This is a 2-person Marine combat tent. And again, this all came from Venture Surplus. And currently at the time of filming, these were actually restocked after I obtained this item. So check it out. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews and a series of episodes called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.